Hey guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools and DIY channel. Well, it's that time of year to give that special someone in your life, even if it's you, something they can use for the rest of the year, right? Well, Calibrate Tools has some great gift ideas just for that. Stick around, I'll see you right after this. You know, one of the best gifts you can give that special someone in your life, especially if they're a DIY tool lover like myself, is a household toolkit for those small jobs, or a picture hanging tool for the decorator in them. You can find all those over at Calibrate.com, including our newly added gift set tool bags and gift boxes with all the goodies in them. Head on over to Calibrate.com and grab yours today. Links in the description.
Okay, what do we have here? We have a full gift basket for all of our home improvement needs. Wow, I really like this hammer. It's nice and light.
Nice and light.
Yeah, but sturdy.
Feels good. Yeah.
And I love that it has a mag strip. Yeah, so you don't have to point. Exactly. I hate that part, and then I never do it.
Smash your fingers.
And this right here is a real gem. Picture hanging tool. Wow. I'm always struggling to hang it. I just have to eyeball it and need somebody else to help me. And this is exactly what the world's been missing.
Everyone can use one of these in their homes when they're hanging pictures and photos and whatnot. Yeah, this is good. This is nice. This is real nice.
I love it. So do you get to take these things home? Oh, we have I love a good tape measure, and I love, it's so light. Numbers on both sides, so you ain't got to play the guessing game, look all under it. You can just have it right there. Woo!
Then like a little attachment so you can have on the side of your belt right here.
And here we've got the Caliber 8 mini toolkit. Keep it in your car, keep it in your backpack. You never know when you're gonna need to get handy and build a little something, something.
Needle nose pliers, a little ratchet set for your little socket wrench, and the different, what do you call these, what do you call it, different kind of screwdrivers?
The heads, I don't know.
The straight flat head and the, what do you call it, the, Phillips screwdriver, yeah. This is handy. This is handy. Is this like a razor blade? You cut something with this, right?
Yep.
The razor comes out?
Love.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice.
Oh, a car pouch. I've never seen one of these before, you know. Like to be on the go. Oh, okay. So we've got some gloves. Oh, jumper cables. I've never even used these, but these look very sturdy and durable. We've got a tube.
If you ever have to run out of gas, you got to swipe some gas out of somebody and put it in.
I've always wondered how that works.
Yeah. Once you get it flowing, it goes from the gas tank to whatever container you put it in. Then you take the container and you get the little funnel and put it in your car if you ever run out of gas.
Okay. So that's super clutch.
Yeah.
And then we got the cone so you don't get ran over in the middle of the street. Can't get ran over now. Gotta tell people you gotta go to the side with the reflectors. Oh yes. Oh yes. And you know, if you want to get, this could also be a little outfit, could be a little moment. I love it. What do we have here? Emergency rescue blanket. Huh. Yes. No hypothermia. Ain't nobody got time for that. I love it. Get you a Caliber 8 kit. Stay ready so you ain't got to get ready.
Oh, a picture hanging tool. That's freaking cool. Nice, nice tape measure. That's really nice. Set that down. Jumper cables, some electric gloves so I don't shock myself. That's dope. Rescue blanket. Okay. After an accident, and then you got a little caution thing. Okay, so people see you on the side of the road. I like that. Could definitely use that, actually. I'll buy that one. What else? Okay, yeah, this one I heard of. This is the hammer tool. Well, it's a hammer, and you can put the nail right there. It's magnet, and then boom, it's perfect. So I'm definitely copping that. And what else we got? And where? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna show you this last. So here we go. We got right here. We got beautiful little needle nose pliers, and yeah, you got screw sets, X-Acto, some tiny. Oh, okay, this one's good for those hard to reach places. I like that. I like that. And this one I thought was really cool. It's like an upgraded Leatherman. So we got all the knife. Oh, that's a nice knife. That is scary cool. And then let's see. Show me how to pop that. Here we go. Here we go. So right there, where the adjustable wrench right in the head. Put that in, and it's magnet. Pretty cool. Oh, I forgot about the flashlight. Just let me show you this. Boom. I love it.
Wow, a picture hanging tool. You know, my grandma would really love that.
Can she hang her own pictures?
Yeah. Now she don't have to call my husband.
I think the best part is that you can just use the nail part.
Yeah.
That'd be useful. What else?
Your husband does construction.
Oh, it's numbers on both sides.
Yeah.
That's useful.
Wow.
A little bit.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
nice.
measuring all
That's
that.
nice.
Okay. And this is a roadside assistance bag.
Oh.
What's this?
Emergency rescue blanket.
I
Cool.
want to see how this turns into a blanket.
I think it's just to keep you warm.
Jumper cables. I don't know what this
A
is.
little funnel.
Oh, for like gas?
Or oil.
Or
Water.
oil. Oh. I don't have one of those in my car.
You might need that.
I don't have one for real, actually.
Run out of gas.
Okay.
Emergency flashlight. This is nice.
Gloves. Oh, got batteries. What's battery
Oh,
operated?
tire pressure. Nice. Nice.
Okay. Put that back there, get my
Seems
keys.
useful.
Comes in a nice little bag.
Look, a hammer for the picture hanging tool. Wow.
Actually, that'd be cool because then it's magnetic. So you don't gotta hold a nail no matter what.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Might need that.
Definitely.
It's not super heavy either.
A toolkit. Okay. What comes with a little blade?
It's gonna be Velcro. I don't gotta be struggling with it trying to get it back into there.
Nice. Okay.
Nails.
Pliers.
Okay.
That's
I
cute.
like that. This is what you wanted, huh?
Oh, what
the
is
thing.
that?
This is the thing.
That's the gadget.
That's the gadget. It's got a knife. I've got nails on. I'm not gonna fight with you.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to take that out.
Me either. But it has a flashlight. And then there's
Okay. Or does it fall out?
okay.
Oh, that it doesn't fall out. Beautiful. Easy to use.
I'm gonna need this though.
Yeah.
I need to be careful.
Yeah. That's very nice.
So what? What's this thinking? Oh,
Oh, okay. Bottle opener. That's nice.
right. Okay. I'll fight with that knife a little bit. There we go. Okay. Put that back in there.
Some pretty useful tools.
I mean, if you're a girl and you gotta do it by yourself, at least you'd have everything.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.